Now this is crazy. This was posted like 15 minutes ago. So Sora 2 is officially saying goodbye. They're closing. There will be no Sora in probably a few weeks. And as you can see, we are saying goodbye to Sora app, to everyone who created with Sora, shared it and built community around it. Thank you. What you made with Sora mattered, and we know this news is disappointing. We'll share more soon, including timelines for the app and API and details on preserving your work, which means so they will give timelines, basically how long the app will be up and the API. And yeah, this is crazy. I mean, when it came out, remember that there was this Michael Jackson stuff, all these IP rights, the Hollywood came after. And now, I mean, I'm quite shocked because I thought they will be releasing Sora 3, which would be insane, but looks like they are just throwing money. I mean, the investors are just pouring in the money, and right now, the OpenAI finally realizes that they cannot actually pay back the investors. The product is not as used as they wanted to be. And overall, this is insane. I never thought this will happen especially to the biggest AI company in the world, ChatGPT, OpenAI. If you see the Google Trends, you will see this is the biggest, the most searched company. If you compare AI companies, probably just means that they will be putting the focus on the most important stuff. But yeah, overall, I think people mostly created AI slop and posted on TikTok. I think that's where all the videos went. That's why I don't think there is a single professional filmmaker that was using this platform. I think Kling 3.0 is much more superior. Even VO 3.1 is, you can do much more. You can upload photos, realistic faces, and make some decent videos, these movies. With Sora 2, it is basically an AI slop. That's why it is not surprising, but still, this is one of the top AI video applications. So yeah, massive loss for OpenAI and big win for Kling, for VO 3.1, for Seedance. And yeah, this is insane. I never thought this will happen, but now we see that these things actually happen. Maybe we are in a huge AI bubble, but yeah, quite weird. I know people are making hundreds of thousands, even hundreds of millions of views using Sora, basically posting on Instagram, on TikTok. So quite painful for many people. But yeah, that's basically it. These are the crazy news in this space. And yeah, let's hope other companies don't go down this way. So yeah, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And thanks for watching.